What is going up, guys? Another or another off-road outlaws video. For some reason, I couldn't remember the name. I guess I could have just looked at screen. But anyways, today we are going to be racing the trophy truck that I built about. I haven't showed this on camera because I've been getting a lot of money and everything. You may think this is a mod, but it's not a mod. This is legit. I have been collecting pretty much all the time I'm on my phone. I'm on this because I've been collecting cash boxes which have gold and which have money in them. Hopefully this app didn't crash. I don't think it did. But, and so, I have been collecting a lot of money and everything, so hopefully it doesn't crash. I think it crashed. No, not gigabit. Actually, can I film gigabit? Oh no, no, it won't let me. I don't know why it won't let me for some reason, but no, it won't let me. Android.club, I don't know what that is. I downloaded the game off of a website. This isn't a normal game. It's not the original update. Or it may be the original update, but it's still, a couple people have it. They still use it and everything, so. Finally, this is a trophy truck of mine. Just making sure it's. These are all trucks. This is the Sand Dune Racer. This is just a random mud truck. This is another random mud truck. This is a really, really nice four-wheeler. This is a random mud truck that I just built today. And this is my trophy truck. Now, this thing will run really fast. Just say that. Because it does run really fast. And it is laggy because all the vehicles and all the upgrades I have on them. This one is fully maxed out. None of the other ones are maxed out like this. I didn't want to lift on this just because for some reason, I don't know. Has a repair. I know I must have crashed into something last time, but anyways, let's hop in. We're gonna do a multiplayer, so if someone wants to, if someone wants to race us, they can. It's a desert. It's a trophy truck, but it's built for the desert. So I'm going to race in the desert. It's best in the desert. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this thing's loud. Hopefully you hear me talking over the sound of the flipping truck. It's a diesel, so. I don't think you can, because my speaker is up on the top of the phone. This is a built truck now. Why did I just accidentally get that? If I wanted to, I could actually. I think it's 65. Top, or 60 something. Top speed I've ever had in low gear. 64, I think. And then switch it high. I think it's like 100 something. Yeah, I'm reaching 100. Furthest I've ever got is like 110 or something. Oh, flip. I got a virus on my phone, so. All the people that, I told that to and they don't believe me. So now you can see. Anyways, I'm going to go race this. Not go race this, I mean I'm going to, be racing it on camera, hence the reason why I'm filming. I usually have differential lock on for racing. I'll show you what it does. How about let's put it in high. I usually do follow camera, so let's accidentally hit that. That's the estimate how fast it takes off. We have to lock all the stuff in to get up this hill further. I don't know why I go up the hill, I just do. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, but oh, that is not good. There's a bump there. That hit. Desert's pretty bumpy. That gives you an estimate how fast it takes off. For some reason, stupidly stop. Keep stopping. Would like it to stop stopping instead of stop stopping stop. I'm just going to. It has enough power to get the hill, but it just doesn't really have a lot of traction. But yeah, look how wide these tires are, actually. They're paddle tires, and they have, I mean, in the front, it's not that much. It's just sand, regular sand tires. It's the same rib tires. But it's a dot. It's a C10, but for some reason it has a Cummins. I actually did not put the Cummins in this. It came with it when I bought the truck. So, yeah, I actually filmed a video of putting this together, but for some reason it got deleted. So, I'm currently pulling the e-brake. Oh, look at there, somebody. Maybe want to come race us? I don't know. Where are they? I don't think they want to come race us. But anyways, go! They're probably going to say, just run down the field at something, however, many miles an hour. 121, boys! I have actually never took this into mud. So, let's do it. Let me just scroll through the mud over there. You do not want to be that close to me. Don't think you're going to be catching up to me all the time. This is a freaking fast truck, man. They're probably thinking, oh my god, I can't get something. What the heck kind of motor does he have? This is a non-upgrade. I said it was fully tuned. I meant the. Oh, they flipped. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, they left me. Aw. Anyways. I can't believe they left. Really? Why did they leave? Probably got mad because I was so fast. I mean, I'm sorry, but I'm fast like that. See how fast we can go. Just mud hole. So, think front tires in. I'd like to sink the front tires in. Oh, whatever. It's something in the mud. Only part of it yeah. Right there is the where it reacts. Oh, so I'm just going in. Hey, how you doing? But oh, flip. For a second, I have an e-brake. Oh, is that Sandmaster again? Let's winch something. Waterhawk. Okay, I've seen this guy before. Oh, you wanna play fast? You wanna play fast? You wanna play fast, boy? You wanna play fast? You wanna play fast? I'll play leave you in the dust fast, boy. You wanna play fast? I'll play fast with you. Oh, we're about to lose control. Oh, we're about to lose control. Oh. Where did he even go? Hello? Why does everybody keep... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everybody keeps quitting. Stop quitting. Jeez. This guy's too fast. I ain't going to be dealing with him. These people. If you're watching this video, I hate you. Because, people don't actually leave in the middle of... I don't know. It's hard to explain. I don't hate you. I don't really hate people that much, that bad. But I'm very upset with you because I was trying to show off my truck and you just left. 2 people. If you were the second person, well, you've seen the video, so. But I understand if your network connection went bad and you left, that's fine. I apologize. Just say in the comments. Network connection went bad. But if you actually had this game, I'd like to play with you. For some reason, I don't have chat, so I think it is the original version. One of the original versions. But, anyways, I apologize if your network connection went bad or something. This is... I understand. Just say, my internet connection is bad. Something like that. This truck is just a freaking beast, boy. Would you ever in there? Uh-oh. Did we crash the game? No, we didn't. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. We're out of control. Ah. Oh, control. I can't stop it. I'm holding the air brake, and it's not doing anything. Holding the e-brake. It's so laggy. Wait, no. Oh, please don't crash this truck and burn it down. No, 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 no. Please don't crash this truck. Please don't crash this truck. Oh no, it's losing health. I need to steer away from mountains, but I can't do anything. Can't look at the camera any other. Wait, you know what? Pause the game. That fixed it. Okay. Okay, you know what happens when you have a virus. Right now I'm looking at tailgate. But anyways, I like this track. Well, oh, hey, dude. Oh, you're back. Where'd you go? Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize if you're watching this. Your front axle was missing? Oh, okay. Never mind. What the hell is this? Why is a Google image in my game? Can I hit? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, yay, it started raining. Well, my internet connection is probably fixing to quit. I honestly think he reset. He's probably chatting in the chat like, hey, how you doing? Can you please answer me? Sorry, dude, but I don't have chat in this version. Oh, you must have left or something, because you have different tires. You have the same tires, rather. I want you to please, stop, because actually I need to get close to you. Oh no, this is not a mountain truck. This is not a mountain truck. Can I please hit to you? Well, it won't let me because it's oh goodness, dude. Oh, I'm just smoking them. Well, sorry, because I said I would get it. No, I need to change my name, seriously. Because no one's not going to know it's me. Oh, gosh. Lag. Ooh. I have not been paying attention to the time. This is probably the longest video I've ever had. To be honest, this is probably the longest video that I've ever had and recorded and everything. I'm just gonna be doing some donuts, jumping hills. Oh yay, stop raining. Where are you? That's a good question. Probably like, oh, I thought you were pulling up beside me or something. Honestly, I don't know. This is a. I know I'm not supposed to say any bad words, but my mom's around, so. This is a pretty badass little truck. That's what this truck is. To be honest, yeah. Sorry for my language if you can't hear bad language. Oh my gosh, that guy just flipped his truck. Oh my gosh. He should see some of my tracks. He would be astonished by looking at some of my tracks. Oh, he made me find a new little mud spot. I like this little thing. Even though I'm powering through it like nobody's business. Let's switch it high gear. Take a little bit of struggle. Anyways, if this guy leaves, I feel lonely and then I'll... Oh, I'm getting a little bit high temperature. I'm getting a little bit high temperature. Oh, jeez. Oh, he came down here with me. And then I crashed into him. This isn't a game where you crash into other people. My thing is, like, way down. Oh, you little piece of truck. I'm sorry if now you can hear my voice, but this is such a bad little truck. Oh my gosh, this is such a bad little truck. I'm sorry if no one can hear my voice, but over the sound of this big truck, and I've been talking this whole time for no apparent reason. I'm sorry, but this is probably really loud, but yeah. Are you coming up? I don't think he can make it. He's probably wanting to winch me, but me to winch him, but I'll show him just a little support, and I'll act like I can't get up there or something. Even though he knows how to get up. Oh, what is this little thing I found over here? Oh, I can't get up. Oh, let me try a forward drive. Yeah, it's a bad little spot. Yeah, I could put it in front wheel drive and the back tires would still turn. Oh my gosh. I'm... Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, go. Bye.